Hola, skunkas. Blue, say hi. Okay. So, today, it is Saturday. What fucking day is it? Oh, June 22nd. My family they've been planning this camping trip for a while. Me and my boyfriend were hesitant to come. But yesterday at night, for some reason, we just were like, F it. Let's just pack our stuff and go. So it's like 3 hours. Right now we still have like about an hour and a half, I think, left until we get there.
It's all the way over there though, isn't it?
We're setting up the tent. We just got here. It's a different campsite than what we're used to, but set up the maca. We're almost done setting up. They really got this motherfucker holding a mattress. No mames.
I get it from LA.
In your pants, your shorts,
My shorts, I get it from LA.
your shirt.
My shirt, I
The
get
whole
it
LA?
from- No.
Don't gatekeep. Tell us what store.
Timo.
Timu? I thought you said she stopped.
That's what she says. Anyways, what's your outfit of the day?
Shellac.
Crocs.
Crocs. La segunda. In and out.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, it's la segunda.
We shopped them all. We're not embarrassed to be shopping.
And then
Hey, how
my
about your
hair.
outfit?
I already told them my outfit. I got this from my mom's closet. I got these at the thrift shop, and then I got these my mom left.
You should give us your OOTD. Your shirt is from Puma. Your shorts are from Levi.
Wow, and to me you said my
And your
closet.
Crocs. We have matching Crocs, guys.
Yeah, but mine are actually.
So this is a full tour of my blue side. This is where he's gonna be sleeping. And then this way is our bed. It's a little hot, so we had to put the windows down. Yeah, this is pretty much our setup. We have enough space for both us and then Blue because he's a pretty big dog. This is our full tent set up already. Shout out to my boyfriend and his cousin, cause I was not trying to do that shit. My blue. Oh my God. Go, Joshua.
Aguas, con cuidado. Te va a pegar.
Oh my god!
You could have been faster. I'm sliding.
Yo,
So baby.
Joshua, if my mom, no,
I know.
Oh.
Ándale.
Watch out.
We're not gonna get that ball until like later on, but whatever. No, Joshua, what are you doing? Joshua, no! It's spiky. Oh shit! El güero.
Tú los que no traes yo, ¿para qué las hijas de la chingada? ¿Para qué las subes?
Ok, pero cuando tenías a tus boyfriends siempre los consentías a ellos y a nosotros nos mandaste a la verga.
Estúpida. Ya estaban grandes, ya que putas, ya tenía que hacer
Pues
mi
ya
vida.
estás grande, ¿para qué quieres que te cuide?
What are you fighting about?
No, remember, like, you were talking to your mom, you're like, oh yeah, boyfriend.
Oh, he's so cute. Mira, Blue. Blue. Why are you so scared? Look. Las concas bien relajadas. Oh, Joshua, you're so nice. Uni was feeling cold. So Josh.
Juni, ¿y el niño quién lo va a...
Yo, this man came out the cut, bro. What the fuck? Everything's about to fly away. Or dead. Ay. Ay, mi speaker. Okay, so this went, I don't know where. What are your thoughts? What do you think is gonna happen tonight? Huh?
Storm.
A storm? Well, let's go to your tent. Let's see what's gonna happen to your tent. Which one's your tent, buddy? Joshua's tent is gonna survive all of these tents. Or what do you think is gonna happen to you?
I wasn't sleeping on the bed. The bed was sleeping on me.
That's how Joshua thinks he's gonna wake up tomorrow. Upside down with his bed on top of him. Te vas a volar, ma.
Ay, ¿qué me voy a volar?
Vuela, vuela. Stephanie, there's a storm coming. Hi, Courtney. A lot of people are.
We are recording that this woman has not showered. Let's see.
Oh!
She's recording that shit. She's an editor.
I'm gonna edit her on Bugra's on face. Oh my god! This woman does not let shit go, bro.
Cuando toman, más para que vean. Digan queso. Fondo, dice. Llegó hasta acá por show. Mira.
Mi mamá lo tiró.
No, mira, no es mentira, mira. No es mentira, aquí está la gota.
Se mió.
No es mentira, aquí está la gota. Mira. Se derramó el vaso.
Es un moco.
Otro. ¿Estás como dragón ahorita? No, está a tu lado.
This is the aftermath of freaking Windstorm. It broke our fucking tent, bro. Ugh. It's so peaceful. I keep falling asleep. These girls are making ceviche.
Sí, pero las otras cosas no. No, yo más digo que pura de esa.
Blue blow. Joshua, stop drinking, please.
I can't stop. I can't. I
Look,
think
why
it's
are you
under
looking
there
for
then.
chelas? You already have two right there.
It has to be right there.
This looks busting, bro, right? Ah! There's so much wind, but we're about to eat in this fucking wind.